Alright friends, now we have come to a very important topic, which is constructors. So when I create an object, the constructor is called immediately. So what's the constructor? How do I define it? So I use constructor for setting data properties or perform other tasks. So when I want to initialize fields, when the object is created, I use constructor. So how do I define it? I come here and must by class name student. I just say student here. So I open my and close my parentheses. So after that, I open my curly braces. For example, I can initialize name and age. I will send parameters to the constructor. So I say, for example, this name equals to the name that I sent. So for doing this, I come here, I say string name. For example, I send name, and then I send age, integer age. So I say this dot name equals to the name, and then I come here, this dot age equals to the age. So this dot age, the first one, by using this keyword, I'm reaching the object. So after dot notation, I am reaching the age property. So I assign this age parameter to the age attribute, and I assign the name parameter to this name property. Using this keyword, I reach name property. Alright. So how can I use it? After new student, I send my first parameter is John, and my second parameter is I will send age 33. Alright, so I delete this. So I can I create just one object? No, I can create as many objects as I want. So student, I define student, I come here and I paste it student Mary, for example, student Mary. And then I say student name is Mary, and then age is 30, for example. Age is 30. As you see, for each object, I will have different property values at the start. I have different object and I have different values at the start, but because I am sending different data to the constructor parameters. So when I use getName for John object, and then I come here for Mary object, when I use getName method, it will return back name. So if I run it, so you see John and Mary appears on the screen. For my John object, I am sending John value to the constructor, and I assign name property. I send this value to name property, and for Mary object, I am sending Mary as an argument. So I am holding here, name is my parameter, and then I assign Mary to name property, and I return back using this notation. I am reaching object, and after I return back this name property, which is Mary here. So first I print John, and the second I print Mary. I hope you understand it.